Hello everyone. Hello students. Can you hear me or see me? Just a quick test. I can see many students already joined before me. So just text your names. अपने अपने names type करिए so that we can interact better. Type your names. Okay. Okay, just type your names please. Thank you. Hello everyone. So Dhanushika, hi Dhanushika. I can see Dhanushika over here. I can see Advay over here. Vaibhavi, hi Vaibhavi. So Advay, hi Advay, how are you? Hi Vaibhavi. Dhanushka, Sayali, how are you kids? Tanmay, hello kiddos, how are you? How are you all? Excited? What are we going to do today? Me as well. Okay, so I can see kids have started texting over here. तो हम start कर सकते हैं अपना session. So before we really jump into the learning part, just give me a sec. Okay. I will jump to a brain activity. Can you see this brain activity? I mean, this is something gonna be challenging you. See if you can understand anything. Over here we have a question, right? And the last thing, what as per the pattern goes, you have to fill the question mark. I'm good, Tanmay, and very happy sitting with all of you, really. So we can see a question over here. What do you think? Can you solve it? Okay, let me set the timer because brain activity always comes with a timer, right? So let's see how many of you are going to be solving it in 30 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Be quickest to answer. Just drop your answer through chat. Drop your answer through chat. Perfect. Quick, quick, quick. So, Dhanushika is saying 79. Okay, time's up. Okay, let me write the names of Dhanushika. I mean the answers shared by kids. Okay, so Dhanushika is saying Dhanushika is saying 79. Who else has given the answer? This was the first answer given by Dhanushika, I guess. Then we have got Somendra. Somendra, what your name? Somendra. Tanmay. Then Tanmay has answered. What the answer, Tanmay? 14, Tanmay is saying. Aarti Sharma is saying 106. Okay. Oh, sorry. Arith Sharma. Sorry. Arith Sharma is saying 106. And Dhanushika is still sticking to her answer. Okay. Geeta Sehgal, the student was Vaibhavi. Vaibhavi is saying, Vaibhavi, you are giving the answer 76. Arith Sharma again is saying 106. So basically, they are sticking to their answer. Anyone else who wants to answer? Anyone else? Okay, let me also attempt. I will share my logic and let's see if it works. Correct? Okay, so what I think, if I go through the pattern, it's 3, 4, 5, and over here it's like 3 plus 1, which is 4, 4 plus 1, which is 5, 5 plus 1, which is 6. So probably it would be what? Tell me quickly. It would be the tens digit, or maybe the we have two places here, so over here we are getting definitely 10, correct? Okay, now if we see the next pattern, it's 2, that becomes 3, with the 3 becomes 4, the 4 becomes 5, then the 5 is gonna be 6. That means Arith. Okay, so Atish, it means 106 is the right answer, isn't it? Okay, so let's clap for Arith. Well done, Arith. So let me show my face here. Well done, Arith. Very well done. Great job. तो एक काम करते हैं, एक टीम बना लेते हैं, बिकॉज आरिथ ने करेक्ट आंसर दिया है, तो आरिथ हैंडल करेंगे टीम ए को, एंड द वन हु ज्वाइंड वेरी फर्स्ट. तो सबसे पहले आज की स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन किया था अद्वै ने. सो अद्वै एंड Atish, right? Advai and Atish. So let me write the names of leaders. Advai and Atish. Correct. So they are the captain of the session today. That means every other student is going to be the part of your team. So let me just distribute. आप अपना अपना नाम लिख लीजिए. Advai आपकी टीम में होंगे. I need a pen. Would you mind giving me a sec? Just give me a sec. Thank you. Sorry about that, kids. Okay, so let me just divide the team quickly. We have Advai and Arith captain today. So basically, what is the rule of becoming a captain? If you have joined very first and you have answered the first question correct, you are going to be the captain. Advai and Arith. I mean, Arith, you shared your name. Atish. Okay. So Atish, the second one. So rest of the students, like, let me just read your names. Dhanushika, आप अद्वै की टीम में हैं. सयली, आप अतिक्ष की टीम में हैं. तन्मय, आप अद्वै की टीम में हैं. Then we have any other student who joined? Okay, perfect. So ठीक है, अतिक्ष आपकी टीम में अभी बस आप और एक और मेंबर है, तो आपको अपनी टीम ग्रो करनी है, हाँ, स्ट्रॉन्ग बनानी है. Okay, the other one who's going to be joining will be having that person in your team. So let's go to the next question back again, which is again belonging to the brain activity, and you'll be having no more than 30 seconds this time as well. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Be quick, quick, quick. Himanshi will be in Atiksh team. Himanshi, आप Atiksh की team में हो. How are you, Himanshi? Okay. ध्रुवा, आप अद्वैय की टीम में हैं. ध्रुवा और ध्रुव आप अद्वैय की टीम में हैं. Okay, we have a question in our screen. What you need to do over here, you have to make this statement true. Actually 6 plus 2 is not 9, correct? But आपको इसको true बनाना है. आपको stick move करनी है जिससे कि ये true हो जाए. Just think what can you do over here to make this statement true. Just think what can you do over here. That's difficult, isn't it? I'm also not getting it. बस एक स्टिक आपको मूव करनी है. द चैलेंज इज जस्ट वन स्टिक, जस्ट वन मैथ स्टिक टू मूव एंड मेक दिस स्टेटमेंट ट्रू. क्विक क्विक क्विक. हे क्विक, योर टाइम्स अप. So Hemalata, kids, would you mind just typing your name also until I get. हेमलता को यूज़ कर रहे हैं. धनुषिका. अच्छा, धनुषिका ने सबसे पहले आंसर किया है और धनुषिका कह रही है 6 + 3 is 9. वो तो मुझे भी पता है, बट हमें इसे ट्रू कैसे बनाना था. यू जस्ट हैव टू थिंक ऑफ. ओके, सो धनुषिका इज ऑल्सो गिविंग द रीज़न बिहाइंड दैट कि जो वो 2 है उसका स्टिक हमें मूव करना है. दैट मीन्स अगर हम ऐसे करें, ये जो स्टिक यहाँ पर है, ओके, बिकॉज इट्स येलो, सो आई एम गोना बी एडिंग अ स्टिक ओवर हियर एंड रिमूविंग द वन फ्रॉम देयर. लेट मी डू दैट. सो इफ आई रिमूव इट फ्रॉम देयर एंड एड इट हियर, डज दैट मेक एनी सेंस? क्या ये करेक्ट हो गया? Is it correct? Quick, quick, quick. Tell me, kiddos. Yes, that's correct. And next alarm is my battery, my laptop is about to, go off. It would disconnect the lesson, so let me just connect it. So yes, it also needs energy. You all are 7th, 8th grader. Now my question is, how do we get energy? Can anyone tell me? हमें energy कैसे मिलती है? How do we get energy, kiddos? Any idea? You would be thinking, ma'am, ये तो maths का lesson है, ये तो science वाला question है. Just think, how do we get energy? Quickly tell me. How do we get energy? Quick, 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 quick. Anyone knows? Atish, with the food we eat. That is correct, but 8th grader, 7th grader के लिए ये वाला आंसर सूट नहीं करता है. नो, ये तो 2nd, 3rd, 4th के लिए it's better. Okay, what is the name of that reaction that produces energy? Think. The name of the reaction that produces energy. Which metabolic activity is present over there which is responsible for the energy production? वो कौन सी केमिकल रिएक्शन है जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करती है? इट इज केमिकल inside our body. It's a chemical reaction. But what is the name of that reaction? Glucon D. Okay. Anyone else? You know that. You've learned about it n number of times. So I'm getting answers from kids. Glucon D is like external type of energy, but it's not the chemical reaction taking place inside our body to release energy. Yay! Very well done, Himanshi. It is respiration. Respiration is a type of chemical reaction that produces energy by breaking down glucose present in the cell, isn't it? Digestion is not, digesting is like bus, taking food in. अच्छा एक और क्वेश्चन 7th 8th graders you also know that then we'll be 100% true I swear we'll be switching to maths this chemical reaction takes place in which part of the cell do you know that lactic acid is a bit different thing I mean I think I should hold it otherwise it would be more of a science lesson than a maths lesson just last question ये जो सारी chemical reactions होती हैं ना वो सेल के कौन से पार्ट में दे आर टेकिंग प्लेस सेल यू नो ना सेल प्लांट सेल एनिमल सेल सेल के कौन से पार्ट में ये सारी मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज या रिएक्शंस होती हैं स्टमक इज नॉट द सेल स्टमक इज मेड अप ऑफ मेनी सेल्स नो ओके Have you heard about cytoplasm? आज के लेसन के बाद आप देखना. Now we are going to be switching to today's session. Okay, so let me just change my screen to the session. Nucleus basically not, but well attempted. And now we can see a curtain here. So behind the curtain there is some maths question. 100% there are maths question. Okay, so let's get started. We have the curtain over here. Let me just present it from the beginning. I missed welcoming students. No worries kids, I'll be welcoming you back. Okay, here. So, hello everyone, welcome to me in math classes. Today we are going to be doing some more challenging questions based on integers. Last lesson you have done some basic questions. Today we are going to be doing some like order of operation based questions or maybe some sort of questions which are going to be including our brain decisions more than just solving and solving. Okay, let's get started. So, okay, both teams, Atish and Advay, be ready अपनी अपनी टीम संभालने के लिए and the members धनुष्का, तन्मय, ध्रुवा, be ready. सायली, हिमांशी, किसी और ने join किया? If you have joined, you just are going to be texting. Dhruva is there. Yeah. Okay. So let's see the first question here. We have the first question over here like this. Okay. Let's try that. Can you see the question? Let's try that. If I add the timer of 2 minutes for the question, what do you think? It's doable, isn't it? So, okay, quick. Vaibhavi, oh Vaibhavi, really sorry. Vaibhavi, you are in Atiksh's team. So Atiksh and Advay, आप दोनों के पास equal number of members हैं. You are equally stronger. Let's see who's going to be winning this. Quick. Ishan is here. Ishan, what's your name? What's your name? If it's Ishan, I'll be using the same. So Dhruv has answered first. Dhruv belongs to Advay's team. Dhruv का आंसर आ गया है C part. Okay. Dhruv is answering C. Okay. Yunus. Dhruv का आंसर आ गया है C part. And Geeta Sehgal. Let me see the child's name. Vaibhavi. Okay, I'm just writing the code so that I'll be remembering. आप quickly answer करो. Meanwhile, I'm just checking this thing. Answer it fast, kids. Everyone, the other team as well. Meanwhile, मैं ये short cuts यहाँ पर add कर देती हूँ जिससे कि मुझे kids के name याद रहेंगे. quick. Okay, Himanshi has answered and ईशान, तो ईशान अद्वैय की टीम में जा रहे हैं. I mean यूनुस अद्वैय की टीम में जा रहे हैं. And Jyoti, did you join now? Niti Bharadwaj, I want the names of kids. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm getting variables. I mean, I'm getting C over there. Frequency of C is quite a lot. B answer भी मिला है हमें. और okay, so let's see. So Niti Bharadwaj, I'm adding you to Atik's team. Niti has answered C. We have got Himanshi who answered B. So Himanshi is answering B. Then we have Jyoti who answered C. Then we have many kids. I mean, frequency of C is a lot there. So let's see. Let's click C if C works. Oh, really? How come? Majority of kids were like favoring C. What happened, kiddos? What happened? We need to work it out. So let's try what happened over here. So for that, I'm quickly going to be taking this question and we have to work it out 100%. क्या हो गया? कैसे C correct नहीं है? I was also thinking like C would be the right answer. No. Let's see. So over here, what do we have there? So BODMAS or PEDMAS, whatever you try, brackets BODMAS. For these two, we just follow left to right as well as these. Or BIDMAS, bracket, indices, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first of all, we need to solve the bracket thing. If we solve the bracket thing, it gives us, what is 2 take away 6? 2 take away 6 is, okay, now I'm getting B over there. Ishan is answering B over there. That means Yunus is answering B. Let's see. Himanshi was the only one who answered B. 2 take away 6 is -4, but when you square that, you are going to be getting 16. Okay, over there, most of the time we have a confusion. -4 squared or -4 squared. When you have inside the bracket that -4, it will give you a positive 16. जब हमारा ब्रैकेट्स में नेगेटिव नंबर होता है, जब उसे हम स्क्वायर करते हैं तो हमें पॉजिटिव आंसर मिलता है. बट इफ़ यू डोंट हैव एनी ब्रैकेट अप्लाइड ओवर देयर, अगर आपका इस तरह से लिखा हुआ है तो फिर वो आपका नेगेटिव 16 होगा. वो द केस वी हैव ओवर हियर इज ब्रैकेट, सो वी आर गोइंग टू बी गेटिंग 16, राइट? सो इट इज़ -1 times 16 divided by 8 plus 8 minus 3 times 4. Okay, I think I'm understanding what actually happened. तो मैं आप दोनों के मेथड से करती हूँ. अब आप मेरे को यहाँ बताओगे, आप में से कितने बच्चों ने इसे डिवाइड किया है पहले? आप में से कितने बच्चों ने इसे डिवाइड किया है? Because multiplication is coming first, so we are going to be multiplying this. -1 times 16 will give you -16 and then dividing it by 8. करेक्ट? सबसे पहले हम ये दो आंसर में कोई चेंज हमारा नहीं आएगा. वुडंट दैट बी? बट आपका C कैसे आया, दैट इज़ द थिंग टू थिंक ऑफ. तो सबसे पहले इसको सॉल्व करते हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बी कॉपिंग डाउन द एवरीथिंग द सेम. सो इट वॉज +8 -3 times 4. नाउ वो आफ्टर दिस, इसको अगर हम सॉल्व करते हैं, वी गोना बी गेटिंग a -2. -2 plus 8 minus 3 times 4. Now, what the next step will be? Can you tell me the next step? Product. If you multiply 3 and 4 or negative 3 and 4, we're going to be getting minus 12 over here, minus 2 plus 8 minus 12. What it makes? What it makes? Quick. क्या आंसर आएगा बच्चों? Okay, so we have a loss of 2 and a loss of 12. So can we write it as 8 minus 14, a total loss of 14. So 8 take away 14 is, what is that? What is 8 take away 14? 8 take away 14 is negative 6. So 100% negative C, C part is correct. C part is correct over here. Let's check back once again. So what we were having, we have to solve this thing first. 2 minus 6 gives us minus 4, which is squared to be 16. 16 times minus 1 is a negative 16, divided by 8 is negative 2. And there we just have multiplied these two. That gave us minus 12. So minus 2 plus 8 minus 12 is going to be giving us what? Just think of what it is going to be giving us. Minus 14. 8 minus 14 is minus 6. All the people who answered C part are correct. Are 100% correct. So, well done, kiddos. It's not B, but C part is correct. Correct? It's 100% not B. But C part is correct. Okay, now we are going to be having a really amazing question. So all the students who have answered C part, they are correct. Again, congratulations. Now the next question we have is this in front of us, which I'm going to share just in a second. Okay, so can you see that? Congratulations to previous question on the people who answered it correct. No worries, try it better this time. Try this time. Okay? Focus, and I'm sure you're going to be answering it correct. If U stands for division, R stands for plus, and grade stands for multiply, then what will be the value of 50, U, 2, R, 3, grade 4? Amazing question. Amazing. So what would be the answer of this question? Just think quickly. Quick. Okay, for the second question, Dhruv is saying B. Dhruv, you are quite quick though. Dhruv is saying B part. Okay, I'm noting it down. Dhruv has answered fastest and is saying B. Let's see what others are saying. Noted, Dhruv, it's B. We're not sure it's correct or not, but Dhruv is answering B. 37. Got your point. Dhruv belongs to Advai's team. तो ध्रुव ने इसको C आंसर किया है. Let's see. और कौन आंसर करता है? Who else is answering? Oh, Dhruv is answering B. Kind of all are answering B only. Kids, you have answered. Would you mind typing your name once again? Because आपके जो names आपने जब type किए थे ना, it's the start of the lesson. So I just missed most of the names. Would you mind please typing your names again? So I know Ishan is Yunus, Dhruv is Dhruv, and Tanmay, आप जो आईडी यूज कर रहे हैं आप प्लीज अपना नेम वहां पर टाइप कर दीजिए. धनुषिका, ओके, हेमालता इज धनुषिका. धनुषिका आप, ओके, हेमालता, आई विल बी कीपिंग इट. Okay, Neeti, are you the same? The ID and the child same? Dhruv, yeah, I got you. Dhruv is there. Neeti, Atiksh की टीम में है kiddos. Have you got your answers? Geeta is Vaibhavi. Vaibhavi Atiksh की टीम में है. Okay, I will remember Geeta. Advay is gamer. Advay is the team leader. Okay, Advay is here. Okay, Advay. Then we have Himanshi, yes, I know you. Jyoti is used by Sayali, okay. Okay, Niti, okay, Krishiv, fine. Krishiv. So everyone has answered it B, and some kids are still trying. I feel like it's fine to take some time but come up with the right answer. I mean, it just enhances our confidence, isn't it? But right now I feel like it's the time to discuss the question. So let's switch and see what the question is. If U stands for this particular thing, so what I'm going to do, I will be changing the names here. I mean, whatever the word is used. So it's 50, and after 50 we have U, which is actually a division, right? Then 2, R stands for a plus add कर देते हैं. 3, great stands for a times, and 4. Did you get the same expression? Have you got the same thing? Tell me quickly. 50 divided by 2 plus 3 times 4. Okay, so 50 divided by 2, we are going to be doing division first. That gives us 25 plus 3 times 4. How many of you have done 25 plus 3, which is 28 times 4? And how many of, this is like, I would say method 1. And how many of you have done method 2, which is actually 25 plus 12. How many of you have done 25 plus 12? That gives us 37. So just write down method 2, M2. How many of you have followed M2? Just write M2 there if you have followed, or M1. So basically you are understanding that BODMAS or BIDMAS or PEDMAS, whatever you follow, it gives you, when it's plus or times, we do multiplication before plus. That means what? People were saying B part. Let's see about that, whether B part is correct or what. चलो देखते हैं बच्चे, आपका आंसर करेक्ट है या नहीं. Oh wow, very well done. Ta-da-da. Very well done. I feel like everyone is correct, isn't it? Everyone has answered B only. So it's like both the teams have gone the same points, no? Okay. So now let's move to the next question. And over here we have the next question. Which is this? That's quite easy, simple. Let me just show you the question. Okay, tell me if you can see the question. Okay, M1 was like method 1, which I've used over there, and M2 was method 2. So we have followed two methods. One was actually following the mistake and the other one was correct. So nothing else, don't worry. अभी हमारे पास next question आ चुका है, और next question का timer we're gonna be taking, like 1 is enough, but let's have 2 minutes. Be quickest. We have 2 minutes over here. 2 minutes. And your clock is like tick tock, tick tock. Be quick. Let's see who's gonna be answering first. Atiksh, Advay. Let's see whose team is going to answer first. Krishiv, Vaibhavi, Himanshi, Sayali, from Advai's team, Tanushika, Tanmay, Dhruv, Yunus. Who's there? Answer quickly. Is it really challenging? Or I'm not getting any message? Okay. Krishiv is answering -10, which is C part. Okay. We have got the first answer by Krishiv this time. Okay. Krishiv, first answer, which is C part. Let's see how correct it is. Rest of the kids are trying not to make any mistake and getting the right answer. So we've got many answers. Dhruv has said C, and Danushika has answered C. Yunus C. Okay. Sayali has answered C. Himanshi has answered C. So probably C is correct, isn't it? Let's check. Yay! Very well done. Let's have a quick go through on how to do the question. एक बार quickly देख लेते हैं कि question को करना कैसे. I mean, if you have any confusion, it would be sorted. Else, I mean, it would be a revision for me. Okay, so we have a square bracket there, and what do we call these brackets? I forgot. Can you just help me revise? What do we call these brackets? We have 3 types of brackets, no? The first bracket, the second bracket, the third one, and we have different names for them, isn't it? All are. So Advay has got C part. So okay, what the name? Meanwhile, when I'll solve, you're gonna be telling me the answer of these brackets. Okay. First thing, solving brackets. So 8 times -4, we will be solving this. 8 times -4 gives us a -32, and rest we're going to be copying as it is. Plus -7 and divided by 3. What's the next step? Next step we're going to be doing, expanding brackets. So we're going to be simplifying this and simplifying this. It will give you a +9, because a negative times a negative gives you a positive, and a positive times a negative gives you a negative. So we get -7 and -32. That is going to be divided by 3. Close bracket, open, closed bracket, open bracket. Okay. Oh, I thought something else. Do we call it something else? I mean, this bracket, that bracket, and the other one. I mean, some braces, square bracket, curly bracket. I mean, something I could remember, but I'm not sure. It's gonna be telling me. So ये हमारा इतना हो गया. अभी हमें क्या करना है? Loss जिस भी नंबर के आगे माइनस होता है, that is the loss. So हमारा -32 and -7, they add up to -39. So what exactly are we having in the bracket is +9 -39. ये हमें क्या दे देगा? What it would give us? Okay, now I'm getting right answers about bracket names. It will give us positive or a -30. I'm sure it will give us 30, but 30 positive होगा या negative? That is what I have to ask you. So it is a -30 divided by 3. That gives us a -10, and 100% you all are correct. Very well done. 100% you all are correct. Well done, kiddos. So now we are going to be switching back to the question, the next question. Let's see what the next question is. Oh, a lot of symbols. Let's try this one. A lot of symbols. Let's try. it would need a lot of patience to read the question, filter out the information, and not to make any copying mistake. Okay, think about it and answer. Think about it and answer. So again, team, well, the previous question, all have answered it correct. Very well done, very well done.
Glad to hear it.
This is my Siri. I didn't say anything to you. Actually, I'm congratulating you, cheering you up, and Siri is thinking that I'm cheering Siri up. Okay, kiddos. Can you see this? Okay, maybe a little bit is getting hidden, so maybe if I just hide my camera, you probably would be able to read the question properly. Okay, see if you can read the question completely. Okay, kids are answering 11, which is B. Okay, if you were, for some reason, if you were not able to see the question completely, now it's hidden, and I think you will be able to read it properly. Ouch! You will be able to read it properly. Every other child is saying B. So I think it is the right time to check whether it's B or not. Oh, very well done. That's correct. But I can't really miss this question. It is very interesting, and I'll definitely try to do this. Okay, in a very quick note, let's try that. So this dollar denotes a plus. Where is the dollar? So I'm going to be adding, let me take a very thick pen and I'll be annotating here only. It is plus basically. At denotes a times, so it is times. Hashtag, hash denotes minus, so this is minus. And asterisk denotes a division. So our question comes 12 divided by 6 times 4 minus 3 plus 6. Okay, this is what our question is. So 12 divided by 6 gives us 2 times 4 minus 3 plus 6. If we multiply that, we're going to be getting 8 minus 3 plus 6. Now, over here, you have just a loss of 3. So loss of 3, rest is to add. So 8 plus 6 minus 3. That will give you 14, take away 3, which is 11,000%. Very well done. Very well done. Now, we have, let me switch the screen and open my camera as well. If it's going to be, a hurdle there, I will be removing my camera. But I think you can see this question now. Well done, kiddos. Very well done. So, a big congratulations to all of you. Very well done. Great job. Ta-da! Yay! Very well done. Now, the next question we have over here, a long one. See how can we solve this. Okay, teams, be ready. Advay, Atesh, somehow I'm not able to see you answering, is it? Then we have to change the team leader. The head needs to be changed. Captain, we have to find out. So if Atesh is not here, Atesh is here. Arith was Atesh, I'm sure. Okay. So, quick. And we have a question over here. You have to think of what the answer for the same will be. Very well done. What the answer for this question could be, you have to tell me. What could be the answer for the question? Okay, we've got the first answer from Vabhavi this time. Vabhavi is saying, Vabhavi, if I'm not correct, it's you using the ID Geeta Sehgal. Vabhavi has, okay, yeah, Atish, I've seen you. Vabhavi is, Atish, motivate your team to answer faster. You have Saili there, Himanshi, Vabhavi, and Krishit there. Okay, motivate your team. And same Advay. Advay, when you are done with your answer, quickly type over there to motivate your team, and also congratulate your team when they get the right answer. Tanushika is there, Tanmay, Dhruv, and Yunus. They are in your team, Advay. Right? So I think captains need to cheer their, team members up. You all are playing really well. So D part, okay. I started getting different answer for this question, I guess. So the question we have over here. Okay, Vabhavi has answered C. For some reason, Vabhavi, we are also getting D part. So I think you should just. Okay, Advay has started, motivating the team. Really good spirit. And we have. For some reason, we are also getting D. Just have a quick, look whether C or D is correct. And if you have calmly, with the patience, have done each and every step, stick to your answer, I would say. But rechecking has no harm, no? Okay. So, we are getting C and D as main answer. But I think D is dominating C. Many students have answered D. Okay, so let me just see. Atish की टीम में से किसने किसने आंसर कर दिया? Okay, ध्रुव ने आंसर Okay, good communication. Atish, आपकी टीम से गीता ने C आंसर किया है, which is what we have to check. And then we have Sayali has also answered C, and Advay, who's the captain of the team, who answered C. Dhruv has answered C there. Dhruv Advay की टीम से हैं. So टीम A और टीम B, Advay की टीम में से दो लोगों ने C को फेवर किया है, और अतिश की टीम में से भी दो लोगों ने C को फेवर किया है. Let's see. अभी नीति that means Krisiv अतिश की टीम से ये बोल रहे हैं D. Okay, Krisiv, noted. Then we have Danushika from Advay's team जो कि कह रही हैं D. So let me write these names and देखते हैं कौन correct होंगे and who's winning this basically. And Dhruv ने भी C आंसर बोला था, and Krisiv ने D आंसर बोला है, Danushika ने D आंसर बोला है, and Dhruv ने आंसर चेंज भी किया है, and तो आपका फर्स्ट वाला आंसर एक्सेप्ट होगा. एंड हिमांशी का आंसर अभी तक नहीं आया है, और तन्मय का भी आंसर नहीं आया है, और यूनिस का भी आंसर नहीं आया है. तो डी आंसर ईशान यूनिस ने किया है, एंड हिमांशी इज लेफ्ट, एंड हु इज लेफ्ट? तन्मय कौन सी आईडी यूज कर रहे हैं? आईडी कौन सी यूज कर रहे हैं तन्मय आप? ओके, so Arith is saying, Atish is saying D. तो अभी कैप्टन वॉर हो गई है, because Advay has answered C and Atish is answering D. तो अभी देखते हैं कैप्टन वॉर में कौन विन करता है, राइट? ओके, अभी अगर कैप्टन का आंसर रॉन्ग हुआ ना तो पूरी टीम सफ़र कर जाएगी, बिकॉज कैप्टन का डिसीजन और टीम को फॉलो करना, करेक्ट? ओके, सो लेट्स सी. So we have it here, a big long expression. Over here, we have not very complicated question, but a calculation is there. Minus 45 would be minus 45 only. Two negatives, they become positive. So it would be a plus of 39 plus 42 minus 28, copied as it is. Two negatives are going to be a positive, a plus of 152 minus 85 and a minus of 9. This is what we have. Now let's do सारे losses को एक तरफ लिख देते हैं. All negatives a particular side. So I'm going to be writing, सबसे पहला negative है minus 45, then we have minus 28, then we have minus 85 and minus 9. सारे positives को एक साथ लिख देते हैं. 39 plus 42 plus 152. My question is, हमें मालूम कैसे पड़ता है कि ये पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव नंबर है? अगर आपके नंबर के आगे जो सिंबल है वो पॉजिटिव है तो वो पॉजिटिव नंबर है. कभी भी हम पीछे नहीं देखते हैं, हम हमेशा जब चलते हैं तो हम सामने देखते हैं ना. तो सारे नंबर्स को भी अपने सामने देखना है और वो उनका अपना नंबर है, राइट? So 42 is also positive, as you can see, and 152 is also positive. Rest are negative. Okay. Now, when the next concept we're going to be using over here, that same sign, add. They all are same. We're going to be adding them, but the answer will be negative. Answer का जो sign होगा वो negative होगा, but operation is to add them. और हमें इन्हें भी ऐड करना है. जो आंसर का साइन होगा वो पॉजिटिव होगा. अभी आपको मुझे बताना है व्हाट इज 39 प्लस 42 प्लस 152. दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू टेल मी. $39 plus 42 plus 152. Quick. Is there anyone who's answering? 39 plus 42 plus 152. Are we getting 233? Similarly, all these negatives, just add all these negatives up. All these negatives up. Add them up. So my calculator is saying something. Let's see what your brain says. Adding all negatives up, 45 plus 28 plus 85 plus 9. Adding them up gives us 167. Correct? If we take away 233, take away 167. It gives us 66. That means D part is absolutely correct. So, Mr. Captain, where are you? So, D part is 100% correct, and congratulations to all the students who have answered it 66. It happens, I have seen okay. I have seen Advay also has identified his mistake and rectified it. So it's important to work on your mistakes and understand it, right? So I feel like actually let's announce the winner today. So the winner, all of you are the winners, 100%, because you all have tried really well, right? You all have tried well, so you all are the winners. Great job. But I would say अतिक्ष की टीम ने ज़्यादा लास्ट क्वेश्चन को करेक्ट आंसर किया था. सो नेक्स्ट वीक हम मिलते हैं और देखते हैं अभी अतिक्ष ही कैप्टन बनेंगे या अद्वै कैप्टन बनेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीक का जो कैप्टन रूल होगा, दैट वुड बी डिपेंडिंग अपॉन टू थिंग्स. पहला, आपने ज्वाइन किया है, यू आर द फास्टेस्ट वन, फर्स्ट वन हु ज्वाइन द स्ट्रीम, एंड द सेकेंड, यू हैव आंसर्ड इट करेक्ट. अगर आप दोनों नॉर्म्स को फॉलो करते हैं, दोनों कंडीशंस पे ट्रू आप आते हैं, तो आप हो जाएंगे विनर. आई मीन नॉट विनर बट द कैप्टन. यू विल बी होल्डिंग द कैप्टनसी फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीम. ओके, so keep and the topics are going to be revolving around the same, so arithmetic, so just keep revising. Okay, bye bye, take care, bye bye, thank you.